Hi students, this is from Amitabh sir regarding the today online class. As all of you know that the situation is going on, we have to lock down till up to 3rd May as our PM sir says about it. So definitely we have to maintain the situation. So for our own safety, and for this reason we are right now taking the online classes. So before going to start, I just want to say, since today is a very great day for us, so to everyone from my side, শুভ নববর্ষের অনেক অনেক আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন এবং বড়দের আমার পক্ষ থেকে সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম. So now we are going to start the syllabus. First of all, whatever I am saying, that class 8 syllabus, you have already crossed class 7. So whatever you have done the operating system, you have done the software, you have done the basic programming language, you have done HTML, right? In case of basic programming language, you have done, I think, up to the for loop. So that whatever we have go on right now, that first of all we are giving a stress on the operating system, which is very major thing of any kind of computer science. And according to the council also given this, so that we have to go on this operating system as a major thing of any kind of communication system with the help of this computer science. Now we are coming to the operating system, and before going to start like that, I am sending the PDF files so that you can see the PDF, you can see these my videos whenever you are facing the problems. And also I am going to start, you have done the flowchart in class 7, so I'll give you one PDF, and that PDF you have to get it, some of the what is flowchart, what are the advantages, you already know it, but for your, since might be sometimes it has happened that we are forgetting some components of any kind of theory, so we can just go through that. And some of the dialog boxes, whatever you are going on, that we have to go on, and definitely some examples over there, so that it is quite easier to remember, to recap yourself, that whatever you have done in class 7 we can once again implement it. Because in class 8 syllabus also we have a algorithm as well as we have a flowchart, so this we have to implement it. But since you have done in class 7 the algorithm not done, and only flowchart you have done, so that is why we have to implement the flowchart here in this lockdown time, right? So the thing is what is flowchart? All of you know the flowchart is basically the pictorial representation of any kind of programming language. So whenever you have to implement a logic of any program, you should implement with the help of some diagrams, and that diagrams help you to find out the solution of the problems. And for this reason we require some of the boxes like input box, output box, processing box, decision box. And you know, in case of decision box we have only two outputs, one is go for the yes and one is go for the no. So here whatever we have to do, here I am giving the theoretical portion, over there you just go through it. I hope all of you remember the flowchart, but still any queries definitely you have to go for. And after that I have sending some of the exercises over there, so you have to do the exercises, and then you said return to, after finish the exercises you have to give it to your class teacher, and the class teacher will provide the answers to me, and I will check and go for. Then whatever we have to go for, as well as we have some online classes also. Class 8 I am going to create the Google Classroom. If you download the app Google Classroom, over there I have already over there, you have to register yourself, and then after getting I'll send you the code, and if you apply the code, then you are the registered member of this class 8 Google Classroom portion, so that I can upload the assignment, I can give it to you, you can give the feedback. So it's completely online classroom will be go on. Now I am coming to the segment of flowchart. We have done the operating system. What is operating system? Yes, I know that you know it. Operating system is a master control program which act as a scheduler. What is the meaning of scheduler? Scheduler means to maintain the schedule, right? Like you are now at home, so you have maintaining some schedule. Parents, they have making a schedule that from morning to the afternoon you have to do this kind of studies, after that you have to go for the play, after that you have to go for the some creative things, then you have to go for the computer science programming, like this you have to schedule. So operating system is also like that. So all of you know the operating system, the very common whatever we are nowadays using is Windows. So this thing, whatever you have to implement it. Now the question is that what are the requirements of operating system? Why should I go for? These are the things are given in the question, the book of class 8 syllabus given by the council. So here whatever we have to do, we have to go through the functions of the operating system at a minimum stage, and then the different icons. Already you know in class 5 onwards you know it, that application icon, programming icon, system icon, the graphical presentation of an application, that will be go for there. So that should be, you have to already know, and I have given that one in the PDF file. You just go through that. After that I'm sending some questions to do it so that you can go for it. Is it clear to all of you? I hope so. Now we are coming to the most interesting part, and this is very new thing to you, that is the Java language, right? I just give you a small bit of notes to you as a PDF file because it's a huge one and we are going to be learn. Initially I just go for, whenever we are coming to Java language, we have also done the basic and we are going to learn right now Java language. What is basic and Java? As you know, go for Java is basically we are calling as an object oriented programming language, right? So what we have to go for, whenever procedural programming language, we have a object oriented programming language, there are different classifications of the language. I'll give you details in the class, but right now whenever you have to go for Java, we are just first go for the two things. One is go for the class and one is go for the object, right? Now the thing is what is class, what is object? This is a very common new terms to all of you. So let us come to, forget about Java, forget about computer science, whatever you have to go for. Consider I'm showing one thing so that we can understand. This is, here you are seeing these are the three pens I'm showing to you. All of you know this is in red in color, this is blue in color, and this is the marker. So whatever you have to go for, your highlighter basically, whatever I'm saying. So these are the three pens, but they have, this is normal pen, this is the gel pen, and this is the highlighter pen. So these are the three different things which are basically under the category of pen. Now the pen is basically used to writing something. Now the question is that whatever you are writing, that will be basically, and what sort of ink you need to take, that is based on you have to select. So if we consider pen is a class, because through a class you can access it, and each pen, this is also an object of the class, means this is an object of the class called pen. If you consider this gel pen, this is also object of the class pen. And if you consider this highlighter, this is also a pen which is also an object of the class pen. So here are three objects. They are basically belongs to only one class called pen, and they are individual objects of different category, but they are all possesses of characteristics of this object of the entire class called pen, right? Am I clear? So till now we are going for, I give you the next session on the next videos. Thank you. Stay home, stay happy, and stay safe your life. For everyone's we have to go for. Thank you.